Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make plantain chips with ripe plantain. I know most of the time we use unripe plantain to make our plantain chips to get that crunchiness. But what happens when your plantain is ripe and you want to crunch on plantain chips? You make plantain chips with it. So guys, you just need 2 ingredients for this recipe. You need the ripe plantain and the oil you are going to be using to fry. So I'm just going to peel off the skin of my plantain gently and grate that with this box grater. So just grate that gently, just gently, because it's kind of slippery in the hand, so just have to just do that gently and hold the plantain firmly. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to be the first person to get an alert when I upload a new video, and give me a thumbs up because it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to heat up my oil and pour in that grated plantain and separate that because it's kind of sticky. It's sticking to each other. So this is it guys, very easy. So it's ready after frying it for about 7 minutes on medium heat. Is ready. So I'm just going to scoop that out, and to this you can add some pepper if you want to spice that up. And this is our plantain chips. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit that subscribe button. I'm Chef Temmie. Until next time.